Hello, my name is Jonathan LALMUANPUIA, THANGEO. Currently residing in New Capital Complex, Aizawl, Mizoram. I'm 28 years old. I have two siblings. I'm the middle one. I'm a graduate in Bachelor of Arts, Honours in History, and I'm here as one of the finalists of Mr. India Mizoram, vying for a right to represent Mizoram at Man of the World India 2019. In terms of modeling and pageantry, I have no experience. This will be my first time. I love to read and write poetry and novels. My favorite authors are Sidney Sheldon and Stephen King, to name a few. I also sketch from time to time as a hobby. I love playing outdoor games like badminton and basketball. Talking about masculinity with responsibility, I believe in this male-dominated patriarchal society, misuse of this position is no different than bullying. But use that same position to be in service for the society and the needy. I believe that is the greatest duty one can serve as a man. I'm looking forward to compete at my utmost level in this competition and also try to put the name of Mizoram up there at the national and international stage. Please remember, I need your support. Thank you.